In office, boss sitting on her desk doing her work, bell rings.
Come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Tanishq, I'm disappointed with you. You come to the office late every day. I never get your assignments on time. And on top of it all, your colleagues have several problems with you. I've told you several times. Now, what do you want me to do with you?
Tanish returns home, dials up leader for guidance.
Hello Danish, it has been so long. How have you been? You haven't stayed in touch of Gakai. I am so glad to hear from your side.
I didn't know who to call. I have been miserable. I am unable to cope up with office and home. I have no help at home. I can't stay calm at my situations and lose my temper. I am unable to manage myself and my performance at work is going down.
Firstly, Tanishq, you have to believe in yourself. You have all the goodness within you. You are worthy of respect and dignity. You have to surface your true potential, be regular in Gongyo and Damaku, and work on your negative tendencies. You can improve yourself by taking responsibility in Soka Gakkai, which serve as a training ground. And when you will regularly chant, you will improve yourself in many ways, from communication skills, time management, patience, listening to others, gaining knowledge of worldly affairs, to overall developing yourself. Human beings can polish ourselves only through interaction with others. Alone, we cannot grow.
Thank you, Amanbiya. I will take responsibility from now onwards. Do you have any responsibility for me?
Yes, I do have. In the upcoming Zadankai, I want you to participate in the concept study. I shall send you the value creation book. Please go through it and make notes.
Thank you, Via. Hi, Amanbiya. I called up to say that my aged mother is facing health issues and is constantly unwell, which is causing me not to be able to prepare my concept. I am thinking to quit from participating and I will take part in the concept for next time.
Tanish, I am saddened to hear about your mother. I wish her speedy recovery, but you have to look at the situation in your life like an opportunity for you to transform your sufferings. Toda Sensei says that exerting in faith and taking responsibility in Gakkai is the surest shortcut way to achieve human happiness and victory. You are on the right path. That is the reason you are facing challenges. Be convinced of that. Nichiren says, I quote, you had better cut short your sleep by night and curtail your leisure by day. Unquote. Now, do take care of your mother. I too shall pray for her.
After 2 months, Kritika calls up Tanishq.
Hello. Yes, Tanishq. Firstly, I want to appreciate you. You're doing so well at work. And also, I want to invite you and your family over for dinner.
Me? Okay, I shall be there. Thank you. Bye, Amanbiya. I called up to inform that I want to share my victory in upcoming Zadinkai. I was appreciated in the office by my boss. Also, my relationship with my colleagues has improved. I don't get irritated like I used to get earlier. I've started exercising, which makes me energetic to perform my office work. I'm so glad I was able to fulfill my goals by involving myself in Gakai activities. I'm able to realize my potential. I'm a much better person few months ago.
I am so happy for you. I would like to quote Daishonin that when one understands the Lotus Sutra, then one understands all worldly affairs. Now be consistent in your efforts, and when in doubt, read Sensei's writings and Nichiren's letters. All the best.
Thank you.